I think Solarplaza has a unique role in this market and was the first to really take this space of asset management and O&M and create conferences and content on that topic way before anybody.
I've always loved this conference, right? So it wasn't like, I thought it was going to be great, and it was really, really, really great.
Solarplaza is the best in the business. Really, Solarplaza is great at bringing together operators, asset managers alike, as well as owners, developers, you name it.
I thought it was run extremely smoothly. I really liked some of the smaller think tank sessions. It was nice to have the chance to talk to other folks who are leaders in the industry.
It's a really good target market for us. Commercial asset managers is our main target, and a lot of them are here.
All of my colleagues, my vendors, customers, we're all here. It's just the right amount of people that you get to talk to everyone, you get to learn, you get to hear what people have done for the last year.
I don't think there's a better place and a better group of people to work with when it comes to asset management.